Mill co-founder and CEO Matt Rogers is here today to talk about the household food waste problem, a major source of methane emissions from landfills and contributor to climate change. You may be familiar with Matt as the co-founder of the Nest Learning Thermostat, which was acquired by Google in 2014 for $3.2 billion and has since helped people save over 1 billion kilowatt hours of energy, and that's enough power to power the planet for 5 days. Matt's latest endeavor is the new food waste recycling system called Mill, a new consumer technology product that transforms household food waste overnight into a source for farms and gardens. And he is joining me now to talk more about it. Good morning, Matt.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's so excited to have you here. Mill on full display above the New York Stock Exchange trading floor.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's start by talking more about Mill. Tell our viewers exactly how it works.
So Mill is a new food recycling system for us at home that makes it really easy to deal with the icky, gross stuff that we can't eat.
Yeah.
So Mill takes all the food you don't eat and dries it and grinds it into what looks like coffee grounds, but actually is a resource. And that resource could then get back to farms to feed the soil or to feed animals, or you could use it in your garden as compost.
Now, as I mentioned in the lead-in, you sold Nest to Google for $3.2 billion. What made you decide to tackle food waste next?
So I didn't know how bad the food waste problem is.
Yeah.
Food waste is about 10% of our emissions.
That's crazy.
And we spend about 2% of GDP managing food waste.
Oh my God.
It's like it's one of these hidden problems out there that we deal with every day.
Yeah.
That there isn't a good solution to.
Now, you're no stranger to working on first generation products. You worked on the first iPhone, you worked on the first iPad. You're considered one of the original pioneers when it comes to smart home devices with Nest. What has the response been with Mill?
I'm a big believer in using our talents for the best purpose we could deliver them. And look, like after selling Nest to Google and helping transition that company over, I spent a lot of time researching climate solutions, investing in companies, writing grants to nonprofits in climate, and food waste kept coming up as a really big problem. And I had not seen a solution that I think could scale with people at home. So I jumped in with 2 feet to build a new company in this area.
And what would you say are your biggest priorities of 2024?
So last year we were mostly sold out. We built a new product that people love and has some of the highest customer satisfaction scores of anything I've worked on in my career, including things like the iPhone and iPad. So this year is really about scale, getting it into more homes and making sure this product is available for as many people as want it.
What's your strategy behind doing that?
We've scaled our manufacturing up. We've built a new supply chain. We've just launched a new version 2 product that is more refined, faster, quieter, just better for people at home. And we're starting to embark on more local deals. Yeah. So this year, we're launching more local partnerships. And we just launched one in Phoenix with a local farmer, where the local farmer comes to your house once a month to pick up the dried food to bring back to his farm to then deliver you a farm box.
That's amazing.
It's really cool.
And AI is obviously at the forefront of so many different conversations out there, especially here on Wall Street. So how would you say that you're integrating AI and technology into your business plan to help meet consumer needs and demands?
So I've been working with AI technology for over a decade, even back into the days of Nest. And AI is a great tool. In our case, we use it to save energy and to run just as long as we need to and to continuously improve the product with data. But really, AI is a tool to make products better. What really matters is what are the benefits for people. Yeah. So we don't market AI, we market the benefits.
Now, Nest and Mill, they're actually quite similar when it comes to consumer behavior. Elaborate on this.
So with Nest, we wanted to make it really easy to save energy at home. So we made a beautiful product. You turn the dial, you look for the green leaf, you save energy. We're trying to do the same thing with Mill. A beautiful product that's very easy to use, that's easier than throwing food in the trash or down the sink. Because in order to change people's behavior, we have to make this new experience better and easier. Yeah. We're not gonna be able to wag the finger to change people's behavior with climate. We have to make better experiences.
Exactly, and it's all about streamlining that process, right?
That's right. If we could save you time at home, of course you'll do that.
Yes, yes. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Matt. It was a pleasure to have you on Taking Stock.
Thanks for having me.